Good morning. We are working on a XDJ-RX3 with some severe dust sand damage and also water fluid spillage and jog wheel physical damage. That's all done, rebuilt, and now we're getting into the good stuff. Complete disassembly with cleaning and then reassembly. Catch you later. Sticky icky right there. We had some fluid damage causing some buttons to stick. This will all be clean. And let's go clean all these buttons. This is what it takes. This is what it takes. Don't mind the noise in the background. That's a Bitcoin miner. But this is what it takes to clean these bad boys. Full deep clean. And then we're going to use an ultrasonic toothbrush to get inside all these little cracks. But this bad boy is almost done. Get all that fluid from a spillage of beer, wine, soda out of here. Those are all water based, so this comes off easily with soap and warm water. Piece of cake. Now we just rinse it off. Hot water, warm water. Get both sides. Because I like to do things correctly. Make sure it's all clean. Inside and outside. Aesthetics are nothing if there's no mechanical functionality or electrical functionality. I'm going to have to put the phone down and flip it. And here we have all the buttons. Soap, warm water, and we're going to shake it to agitate the water and soap into every little crack of these buttons. Shake and bake, baby. Right, all dry. These are now produced by a different company than before. We've seen a lot of these jog wheels they've become heat soaked and they will warp. Mostly on the XDJ-3000s, but this company is definitely the new provider in alpha beta products. Who knows, maybe after the pandemic things got a little cheaper and quality dropped down a little bit, but this is ready to go. Reassemble after we dry off all the buttons.